Hey there, MBA aspirants. Ever since Donald Trump was declared the next president elect, we have received numerous questions from professionals considering higher studies in India or abroad. They are particularly interested in understanding how to make sense of the political climate when deciding whether to study in India or the US, and how this might impact their experiences with business school programs in India. In this video, based on our analysis of past trends during Trump's first presidency and interviews with numerous aspirants about their current sentiments regarding studying in India versus the US, we aim to provide clarity on potential impacts of Trump's second term. We will explore what this could mean for the Indian business school experience, particularly ISB, covering aspects from enrollment to college life to career outcomes. But before we proceed, a disclaimer. All the opinions expressed in this video are solely our own, and viewers are advised to make an informed choice when making decisions about their study destinations. Let's start with what the data reveals about Trump's first term. After years of consistent increase in international student enrollments in the US, the trend reversed under Trump, with enrollments dropping by 3% in 2017 and continuing to decline thereafter, indicating a lack of confidence in the US as a study destination. Further, the increase in H-1B denial rates, 3.2 under Obama versus 18% under Trump, further indicated that it became increasingly difficult to find employment in the US. Now, drawing insights from the past to better understand what Trump's second term may entail and its potential impact on the business school experience in India, particularly at ISB, we have divided our analysis into following sections: enrollment, in-college experience, career outcomes or placements, and alumni experience. Let's talk about enrollment. First, let's see what a survey conducted by Keystone Education Group has to say. According to this survey, 42% of students from various countries report that they are now unlikely to consider the US as a study destination. This shift, largely driven by the political climate, visa restrictions, and concerns about safety, poses a significant challenge to US higher education institutions. We believe Trump's immigration policies are likely to diminish the appeal of US business school programs for international students due to several factors. Number one, reduced diversity. A decrease in international student enrollment will lead to less diversity in USB schools, driven by work visa restrictions and a hostile immigration climate. Number two, unwelcoming environment. The polarized political landscape may make international students feel unwelcome, increasing their anxiety about studying in the US. Number three, job market barriers. Limited employment sponsorship options will restrict access to job market for graduates. And lastly, weakened alumni network due to a decline in international student numbers, adversely affecting mentorship and job placement opportunities for future graduates. In India, for institutions like ISB, this could result in an increase in applicants, intensifying competition during the admission process in the coming years. Now, there could be an exception. Should Trump implement more favorable policies aimed at fostering growth in the business or tech sectors, international students may reconsider their stance on US programs. Now, let's talk about college experience. The impact here could be explained by various factors. Curriculum shift. ISB and Indian V School's curriculum may transition from a focus on global business strategies to more region-specific content, adapting to the increasing trend of regionalization. This change will emphasize local business needs and regional expertise. Number two, influence of trade policies. Course content related to global trade, tariff, and international relations may be shaped by past trade policies such as those implemented during the Trump administration. This could result in a stronger focus on regional business strategies within MBA programs like ISB. Number three, exchange program restrictions. Exchange programs with USB schools might face limitations due to visa restrictions, impacting international collaboration opportunities. Number four, decreased international collaboration. The US growing isolation, driven by concerns over policies and visa issues, may limit partnerships with US-based faculty. Consequently, ISB might seek increased collaborations with institutions in more neutral regions such as the UK and EU. let's talk about placements. Trump's protectionist policies may hinder the global expansion strategies for US based multinationals, potentially resulting in a reduced recruitment from B schools like ISB. For companies with US offices, internal transfers via L1 visas could become more challenging, similar to the difficulties experienced during Trump's first presidential term. Lastly, let's talk about alumni experience. In the long run, potentially compared to US B schools, Indian B schools like ISB will have an alumni network which would be more dynamic with broader international influence and fewer barriers to cross border networking. Now, how long it will take for these changes to manifest and how many years their effects will be felt is anyone's guess. Some experts like Abhijit Zaveri, founder and director of Career Mosaic, believe that Trump 2.0 may adopt a more India-friendly stance, aiming to balance the influence of Russia and China in the region, which definitely seems like a ray of hope for many India students aiming to study in the US. Do let us know your perspective on the entire debate in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more content like this. Until then, fly high.